Okay, we're done with Vercel. Now let's move to Supabase. That's another tool we'll be using in this course. And it's pretty straightforward, and it's also has a free tier we could use. We've spoken about GitHub, spoken about Vercel. And in relation to that, why do we need Supabase? So if we've made an analogy that GitHub is a kitchen and Vercel is our dining room, think of Supabase as your refrigerator, your cabinet within your kitchen and your pantry, for example, where you keep your ingredients. Because in Supabase is where we're going to be storing our user data, for example, their profile, their data, their username, their passwords and everything for them. So without Supabase, whatever we launch on Vercel just looks like a shiny designs that users can't use to do anything. So think of Supabase as the brain behind everything. Once users click on sign up, what happens? When users click on login, what happens? When users click on new diet plan, what happens? When users click on finish diet plan, start a new diet plan, see suggested diet plan, what happens? So the magic behind the beautiful screen. So it's like, what makes the food delicious? That's Supabase. So let's create one. Supabase.com. And you see this beautiful site, the same way we handled Vercel. We click on start your project, continue with GitHub. Again, pretty much it to authorize GitHub, same way we did for Vercel. So we have KCAVOX, personal, free plan. Just click on create account, or create organization. So it's asking for a couple of things. So we have our organization name, we have our project name. Now it's asking for a database password. Now this password is not the password to your Supabase account. Is the password to your database directly. And you're going to be using this in the coming lessons. So you can click on generate a password or create a password for yourself. In my own case, I'll click on generate an account, a password, which I will copy and save personally. Then I can go ahead and create a new project. Don't forget, save this database password somewhere because you are going to need it. I won't save this, cancel, and we have this beautiful organization set up. Now, to the top we have, like I said, to the top we have tools. To the left we also have tools. You can see table editor, SQL editor, database. Don't let all these names scare you. In the coming lessons, you understand why we have this setup and how we're going to use them in our project and why we need them. So I'm excited about what the next lessons will look like. So just a quick recap. In these lessons, we did a recap on what GitHub is supposed to do for us. We touched point on Vercel, why we need Vercel, and we made an analogy on how GitHub is our kitchen. If GitHub is our kitchen, Vercel is where we serve our beautiful food. Then we moved to Supabase, and we said, and we made another analogy to it, saying, if we serve a beautiful meal or a delicious meal, what makes it delicious? The ingredient behind it is Supabase. So Supabase is where we save user data and where we host our database pretty much. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.